Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to our drawing channel. So this is a simple scenery drawing that we are doing today. So we are drawing a house inside a forest. So as you can see, this is a two-story house that we are planning to draw. If you have looked at the screenshot or our thumbnail on the video, you might have already seen the whole video there. So initially we are trying to draw the forest, starting the drawing from the left hand corner to draw some of the leaves and trees and bushes, and in between that we have a structure, and this house is built of bricks. You can use this video as a guide for your drawing competition. So if you have a similar subject in your school which asks for a drawing competition like a pencil drawing or even a color drawing, you are free to use this drawing as a reference to improvise on it or copy it and use as a pencil drawing or also as a color drawing. This house has a special character, and that's why I like this drawing very much. I'm very passionate about drawing. So if you have any questions or if you want me to draw a particular drawing, please let me know. To support us, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to us for more scenery drawings. So we will be uploading scenery drawings on a daily basis. So if you want to learn from scenery drawings or enjoy watching scenery drawings, please let me know. I'll definitely be happy to upload the specific type of scenery drawings that you are requesting. Drawing is a great thing even for kids, so you can keep them engaged and ask them to draw sceneries and imagine about things, so the creativity grows and that fuels the brain. So the kids are at the age of 8 or 12. I'm talking about them because I have two boys who are at that age, and both of them are very passionate about drawing and they experiment different type of drawings. My elder son is drawing anime drawings, and the younger one is more into like scenery drawings. And for the birthday, my wife's birthday, my younger son was making a drawing on a canvas to present to her. So what we did, the idea was I took some leaves and branches which fall down in our garden and put color onto it, and we were just throwing those colors onto a canvas to create a particular amount of like a flow of texture, and it came up to be really good. I will upload that video of that particular artwork maybe in a couple of days time. So that's all about drawing and believing yourself and just be creative about what you're doing. Yeah, that's pretty much what I do. So I had this channel which initially I started maybe like 7-8 years back, and then I had a gap. So I'm very serious about it now. I want to experiment new creative drawing ideas and line drawings and shading to teach and train people. And I like house drawings, houses, because they have a special character. Each house has a story to say, even if it's a wooden house or a brick house. The architecture, everything actually is very important when it comes to the whole feel of this house. So this house, which currently I'm doing, is almost getting finished, and the hardest part was to actually show the bricks, the layers into it. And yeah, I think it's turning out to be pretty alright, and have tested with the textures, just adding some color here and there. I haven't done much shading into it, but I was more like filling into the drawing. So you can clearly see this is a digital drawing. So the tool which I am using for this drawing is called Procreate. It's an app. I'm currently making this drawing in an iPad, so I have installed Procreate premium version on the iPad, and experimenting with the different types of drawings which I'm passionate about and I want to share with you guys. So this particular drawing, as you can see, is almost getting finished. I'm just putting some brick layers onto that house to give it a bit more character and finish, and once that's done, I'll be adding some shades or filling the gaps with some black and gray colors to create some contrast. So now you can pretty much see the drawing. It is almost almost getting to that finished state. You can pause this video, or you can just fast forward this video to the way you want to do it. The most interesting part of this video is this is very simple. So if you watch how this was drawn, you could very easily make this drawing. And I have hidden some part of the house with the bushes, and you can also do it. You can change the way the bushes are laid out. You can change the way the house is covered with the bushes. You can put a tree maybe on one corner of the house, covering the house, so only that part of the house will be visible. And maybe you can lower the trees and allow it to have a sky view. The sky is seen, the moon or the sun is seen. You can put some crows there, or maybe you can put some mountains behind the house. So you can be creative and experimental with this particular drawing. I have it's like a time lapse. So what I have done, the drawing took myself maybe like half an hour, so it's been reduced to like 9 minutes here. So probably you won't be even need to pause the video, as you, if you are looking at the video and if you're drawing, you don't have to even pause the video. You can just, I think you can just go and one go. You can try watercolor or acrylic color to give that specific look to this drawing, or you can just draw a black and white one and add more textures or more shading, however you want to do it. So as this drawing is coming to an end, please make sure that if you like it, give us a like, subscribe to our channel for more of such content, because that will help us to get motivated to create more challenging drawings. We will be also making pencil drawings on a piece of paper and recording it. So we'll have multiple types of drawings, like digital and real hand drawings. Hope this video is actually something that you like and enjoy. If kids are watching this video, make sure that it takes time to learn drawing. It takes a lot of hard work to get to that level. So when I was a boy, I could see, like, when my son makes a drawing and say, I'm not good at it and I cannot draw like you. I say, okay, at your age, I was not even close. So don't get frustrated if you cannot just make it in first go. Just grab a piece of paper, try it again. Use some changes. Like if you make some mistake, use that as an opportunity to be creative about the drawing. Make that mistake into a creative element in your drawing. And don't try to just rub it off. Mistakes do happen, but you are the artist and you only know what you're creating. All the others are just watching or seeing the end product, and they have no clue what you as an artist was trying to portray. So thanks for watching this video. Make sure that you like, comment and subscribe to us, and we'll come with another scenery drawing tomorrow. Have a good day.